Rocket Lab, ticker symbol RKLB, up 17.25% today, and 0.5%, beg your pardon. One of the best days for a very long time. Fantastic. What's going on? Shall we give the information? Well, I've got some information just out just a few minutes ago. It's 10:48 here in the morning, August 16th, Friday. And some good news, let me share with you using my software. If you want my software, all members and non-members can get access to this software now. I've got two major softwares that I use, Alpha Spread and also Seeking Alpha. I will give you the links to both of these here in the chat. It'll also be below the video. There is Seeking Alpha. You get $25 off and a free trial. Oh, yes, indeed. You can't get that without my referral. There you go. And there is Alpha Spread as well. All my members get a free plan plus a discount, which is so good that it makes my membership for free. Okay, let's have a look at Rocket Lab and see why it's up today. Smash the like button if you like this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you want to. No reason other than that, you just want to. Okay, let's look at the numbers and we can see things are looking favorable. Things are moving up with Rocket Lab. This is my Alpha Spread, which is a very nice way of displaying information. I like it. Investing should be simple and it displays it in a very simple fashion. So let's have a look at that now. Up 15% on the revenue, up 2% operating income, up 0.7 net income. Things are moving in the right direction. The balance sheet is looking good. 1.2 billion. And we've got cash of 492 million. Debts, long-term debts is 411 million. So that's all in control. Let's scroll down. The margins aren't great at the moment. We know about that. Profitability is 31% and solvency score is 40%. We are seeing a decent upside, 8% or 54% respectively. What about the short interest? 16.6% short interest. So it's great that it's gone up today. Could we get a short squeeze? No, it's not enough. Let me go to the news and share this news for you that I've got from Seeking Alpha. Just out literally a few moments ago. I mean, it's literally hot off the press. You can get this latest news immediately on Seeking Alpha. The links are below and in the chat. Got a free trial. Go and check it out. Rocket Lab soars 52-week high. Where's my mouse gone? There it is. After updating on Mars-bound spacecraft. This is what's important. This is why the stock is up. We're looking at Mars today. I'm loving it. Shall we add a little bit of this? Shall we do it? Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Where should we go? Should we go to the moon? We'll take off. All right, we'll take off and then we'll zip through space. We'll use that one there. And we'll land on the moon, or we'll land on Mars, because this is where we're going with Rocket Lab, right? There I am. That's me, by the way. I ended up doing a bit of on-location filming. You like that? If you look closely, you'll see me in the reflection of the helmet. Oh, yeah. Here is Mars. What are we talking about? Rocket Lab. Why is it up today? Rocket Lab announced on Friday, which was a few minutes ago, that it has successfully packed and shipped 2 Mars-bound spacecraft to Cape Canaveral, Florida, in preparation for launch. This is why the stock is up today. The twin spacecraft for the Escape and Plasma Acceleration and Dynamics Explorers, heliphysics mission were designed, built, integrated and tested by Rocket Lab for the University of California, Berkeley Space Science Laboratory and NASA. The spacecraft, known as Blue and Gold, recently completed comprehensive assembly, integration and testing a Rocket Lab RKLB spacecraft production complex and headquarters in Long Beach, California. The team also conducted final close-out activities, including the installation of spacecraft solar arrays and multi-layer insulation blankets before they were packaged and shipped to Florida for launch. Upon arrival at NASA's Kennedy Space Center Launch Complex, Rocket Lab team members will transfer the spacecraft to a clean room for post-transport inspections and tests. Following through checks, the team will commence preparation for fueling the spacecraft in anticipation of their upcoming launch of Blue Origin's BORG New Glenn rocket. We've already been to the moon for NASA, so we're excited to build on that and send Rocket Lab technology deeper into the solar system, this time to the red planet, said Rocket Lab CEO Sir Peter Beck. Once launched, the Escapade mission will measure plasma and magnetic fields around the red planet. These observations will help scientists unravel the processes that strips the atoms from Mars' magnetosphere and upper atmosphere, offering critical insights into Martian climate evolution. Very, very nice indeed. Now then, is it a buy? Is it a hold? Is it a sell? Well, you've got a couple of options. You can ask me to do a full analysis on the stock, and I will. Just leave comments below. On Sunday, every Sunday, Sensei does charts, shows you the buy zones, the support levels, the resistance levels, does a deep chart for you, so you can go and check that out. Or you might like to look at this right now. Seeking Alpha analyst, strong buy, a strong buy here. Wall Street analysts giving it a buy as well. And Quant, which is the AI software for Seeking Alpha, it's a hold. Let's have a look at this. Things for the factor grades are all moving up in momentum. So revisions have improved, momentum has improved, profitability is the same, but of course, we're still spending money on the business, but that's about the turnaround. Growth is gone from C+ to B to A-, and valuation C+ to B- to B-. Very, very nice indeed. All going in the right direction. Now then, this was just a quick update on Rocket Lab. People wanted to know why is it up today, and there's plenty of growth in this. But if you want to know about the buy zone, sell zones, join Sensei on Sunday, and I'll give you all the links. So, for those watching live right now, if you want alpha spread, that's in the chat. It's also below and above my head. It's also pinned to the description down below here. And also, if you want Seeking Alpha, same thing, above my head. Right now, you can get a free trial of the software that I use, and you can get $25 off. Fantastic, right? Brilliant stuff. So over here, I shall put the Rocket Lab playlist. You might like to join us, see the full Rocket Lab playlist. Also below in the description and pinned to the comments, I'll give you the link for Sensei on Sunday. And right here, I will put the link to Seeking Alpha if you want to go and check out our latest deal for Seeking Alpha. I'll put that just there. There you go. That's why Rocket Labs is up today. It's a strong buy. It's a strong hold. You might like to hold on to this one or trade it with Sensei on Sunday, 3 p.m. Central on Sunday. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.